Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. Oh, deep breath. And they get out alignment easier too. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. Let me check the neck. Relax the Wiki. Great. Oh man, your ears are just red now. Deep breath. All the way out. This should be for the heart work. All the way out. Good. There it is.
You just keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Let all your out. Good girl. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Keep breathing. The initial soreness that you get from this adjustment. Yep. And just breathe normal now. There you go. That's a girl. Yes, ma'am. I still got one more. Right here. There it is. I knew it was there.
Okay. Relax here for me. Very good. Excellent work. Okay. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. We're not going to name this adjustment. We're definitely going to get some long axis traction. Very good.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Perfect. Good.
Okay. Okay, nice and relaxed here. Gonna go nice and easy today, nothing ridiculous. Good, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just run. Good. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you can't even turn your neck this
Yeah.
way. Nice and relaxed here. Just let it go right there. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good, right there. Good. Good. Right there. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. All right, we're going to try to get in here and get some movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, good movement in there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Here. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. There it is.
So I'm going to do a Gonstead cervical chair adjustment on her. There. And there.
And open your arms up and relax your head back. Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go. There you go. Now let it roll back. There you go. Yes.
Okey-dokey. Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah, good job. Did you feel that all the way down, Noe? Yeah. Drop this in my hand. Perfect. Yep. Good job. Okay. Nice and easy. Alright. Keep breathing. There you go. Mm-hmm. Excellent. Yep, perfect. See, this opens the joints up a little bit and allows me to get in there, separate these joints a little bit better.
All right, Cap, give me a deep breath for me. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh, now you can breathe, bud. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Relax. Man.
Oh, wow.
Good. My goodness.
All right.
Nice. Ready? Nice one. Nice. One more. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh, すごかったね。
Okay. Relax. Okay. Hey, stop. Okay. Okay. Okay, oh. 16が少しあるか。もう少しピュー。Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Very nice. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good. All right, you just relax there. Move your neck. Good. Now we'll come over and do this side. Relax your side. There we go. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Nice. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. One more time. Good.
Relájese aquí. Very good, muy bien. Relaja el cuello así. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Relájese aquí, relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Aquí arriba también. Ok. Saca el aire completamente y relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Perfecto. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Perfecto.
We are very straight shooters here. We tell the truth in everything that we do. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. Okay, exhale. There we go. That's it. Okay, I got one more here. I can feel it. Yep. You feel that one?
One more time.
Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Relax your head back for me. There. Very good. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
So we're going to take a deep breath through your nose roll and exhale and just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more. There it is. Nice deep breath in. Let all your out, but keep your teeth together. Just like that.
Oh, God.
You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Deep breaths for me. I got that lower one right there, though. You feel that?
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. That feel okay?
Great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today. Doing okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just gonna tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Same thing on the left over here.